All right, I hope this is going the right way now. I'm still not 100%, but I guess I'll check it. So we are doing 4.NF.5, teaching set number 5 today. It will go pretty quick again, just because it's the same stuff that we've been doing the last couple days. So we're going to have to look at what the answer is that they want the denominator to be in. So this one is hundredths. So we need to make sure that we convert these on this side of the equal sign into hundredths as well. And then some of these, it looks like it gave you a choice on some of these other ones. So we'll talk about that when we get there. So here we go. We're going to, again, changing the tenths into 100ths. You would multiply by 10. Okay, denominator by 10 would be adding that 0. Multiply the numerator by 10, adding that 0. Then we would just add straight across because now our denominators match. So adding straight across, 120 plus 5 is 125. And then I'm going to go down just because then I don't have to move my paper so much. Okay, so looking at this one, it is 1/10. We need to get it to hundredths. So again, multiplying the denominator by 10 and the numerator by 10. So adding a 0 because it bumps that place over. So 10 plus 98. So this one, if you needed to, you could stack them over here. 98 plus 10. 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 108 100ths. Then this one, so they're just leaving this blank. So we will go ahead and just continue what we're doing. So multiplying this by 10 to make this hundredths. Multiplying the 8 by 10. 8 times 10 is 80. And then adding 80 plus 6 is 86. I guess we could do it right over that line, sorry. 86 over, and the denominator stays the same. You don't add 100 plus 100. You are taking 80 hundredths and adding it to 6 hundredths. So you think of that kind of as a whole unit, and the hundredths has to stay hundredths. Okay, the next one, 2/10 plus 37 hundredths, multiplying our denominator by 10 makes it 100. 2 times 10, 20. Then we're going to add those up. If you need to stack them, you can stack them off to the side. Some of you, I think, can just do that in your head, and that's fine too. So 57 hundredths. Moving on to the next one below here, 24 tenths plus 17 hundredths, converting the 10 into hundredths. So times 10, 10 times what equals 100? That's where I'm getting that times 10, just to remind you. So times 10, 24 times 10, and just thinking about those place values, and we're just moving those places over to the left one place, which would add that 0. So that's how we do those times 10. So stack if you need to, 240 plus 17. 7 plus 0 is 7. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 0 is 257. 257 over 100, or 257 hundredths. Okay, moving on. So 10 times 10 equals 100. So we would multiply this by 10, denominator by 10, and numerator by 10. This one I think most of you can do in your head. So 150 plus 9, 159 over, and again, the hundredths stays the same when you're adding. Sorry, that got stuck and it looks like a 6. Okay, so 159 over 100. Moving on to the right side there, the right column. Again, we need to convert to hundredths, so we have to make that tenth into a 100th, multiply by 10, add that 0, so 30 hundredths plus 23 hundredths. So if you need to stack them, you can. Let me see the paper underneath. I kind of have a little jimmy rigged little device going here. So 30 plus 23, 3 plus 0, 3 plus 2. So 53 hundredths. Next one, we're converting that 10, making that 10 into hundredths. So 10 times 10, 100. 13 times 10, add that 0. So 130 plus 13. Some of you can do that in your head. Great. Go right ahead. But if you need to stack it, that's fine too. So 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 1. So 143 over the hundredths stay the same. You do not add the hundredths together. 100 plus 100? Nope. It stays 100. Okay, and then here again, we're converting to hundredths. So 10 times 10, 3 times 10, 30 plus 9, 39 over 100. And then we have 3 more down here. Let's see, I think I can get them all in. There we go. So 10 times 10, 1 times 10, 10 plus 7, I think you can do that in your head, 17 hundredths. Okay, then we take our 10, turn it into 100, so 10 times 10 equals 100, so we have to go times 10 here, times 10 in the numerator, 50 plus 68, 50 plus 68, so we'll stack those, 8 plus 0, 6 plus 5, 11, so our answer is 118 over 100, so 118 hundredths. Okay. Let's see if we can get that to, focus again. And our last one down here is times 10, times 10, 80 plus 34. So 80 plus 34. 4 plus 0 is 4, and 8, 9, 10, 11, 114 over 100. All right, so that was it. It went pretty quick. You have 8. This says NF5 teaching set number 5, but it should say student set. So this is the student set, the one that has the boxes. Okay, boxes, try to get it to focus again. Okay, and there's 8 on there. You're doing the same thing. You're converting these tenths into hundredths, multiplying by 10, numerator multiplied by 10, then add the numerators to get your answer over 100. Okay, if you have any questions, hop on Zoom Tuesday at 1 or Thursday at 1. See you later. Bye.